Hi friends, here's another exciting tutorial on how to connect a CCTV camera to a 4-channel, 8-channel or a 16-channel video balun using a single video balun and then connecting them to a DVR and a monitor. Similarly, you can connect up to 16 CCTV cameras using 16 single video balun and VV cable for each CCTV cameras, which is then connected to the 16-channel video balun. The tools and accessories which we'll use for the connection. Step number 1. Install the VV cable to the video balun. The video balun cable is stripped. The white and blue color wires will go to the single video balun. If you have connected the white wire to the minus sign of the video balun, then install the other end's white wire also to the minus sign of the 16-channel video balun. Step number 2. Install DC connector on the video balun. The black wire is screwed at the minus sign of the video balun. We have twisted the red and green wire which goes into the plus sign. This will be connected to the female DC connector of the CCTV camera. Similarly, connect the DC female connector to the other end of the VB cable. Step number 3. Connect the single video balun to the CCTV camera. Step number 4. Connect the 16-channel video balun to the DVR. A power supply cable is used that goes into the female DC connector. We have connected the 16-channel video balun to the DVR using a BNC male cable. Now connecting the power supply of the DVR. Use a VGA cable to connect DVR to the monitor. For demonstration, we have used a television. We are selecting the input in which we had connected a VGA. If you have used an 8-channel video balun and an 8-channel DVR, you can connect 8 CCTV cameras. Similarly, you can use 16 CCTV cameras.